Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI GeForce RTX 5070 Gaming Duke 3X series in white. So friend, MSI new color option for Gaming Duke series. So friend, the MSI launched more RTX 50 series graphics card last week, and many of which has been already covered here and what are have not updated you on it is the new gaming Duke variant and essentially a white themed version of the black model, and that has been available since the NVIDIA SKU launch. So friend, and the MSI offered the gaming Duke in a black for the RT 5070 and 5060 Ti, and the company just revealed the design featuring all white color scheme and apparently only for RTA 5070 for now. So friend, it is not fully accurate to call it's all white since the PCB remains black and the MSI has no history of using colorboard PCB or even IO bracket. In that sense, this is simply a new color option for the main shroud and fan. And the MSI actually launched two models, one with optional OC branding and higher clock, and both versions include same level of OC, and MSI officially confirmed that even the standard model will ship with 2527 MHz OC setting, and all through this is only enabled through MSI Center, and the OC variant on the other hand run at 2572 MHz, and which is just 2% above NVIDIA reference clock specification. So friend, MSI confirmed the card is nearly a perfect two-slot design and measuring 32.5 cm in long and measuring 32.5 cm in length, and both cards feature the same GPU with 6144 CUDA cores and comes with 12 GB GDDR7 memory across a 192-bit memory bus. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.